Money will mean team. Hilltop, I want know. I will see one more day. I will see one more day. So me seal me Trinity and pray, yeah. I will see one more day. One more. Me thank the Lord for guide my way. Yeah. I will see one more day. Heart a beat, everything is okay, yeah. I will see one more day. One more day. So we give thanks. All praises unto the big man. Yeah. Could a Rastafari and a Christian. True. Because I chant the songs, but care which one. I have to preserve life, no one live long. Black or white, you could a Indian. Live in Africa, America or England. We have to live nice and make millions. Yeah. Bad mind keep a distance. I may see one more day. One more. So me seal me Trinity and pray, yeah. I may see one more day. Me thank the Lord for guide my way. Thank you, Father. I will see one more day. Heart a beat, everything is okay, yeah. I will see one more day. One more day. Me I give thanks for one more day in a life. You have to remember, say, I know every day I go nice. And granny tell me, say, always protect your life. And then my grandpa said, stand up and ready for fight. We rise, keep rising, and make the right choices. Cause this life is full of surprises. Yeah, I will see one more day. One more, I will see one more day. So me seal me Trinity and pray, yeah. I will see one more day. I thank the Lord for guide my way. I will see one more day. Heart a beat, everything is okay, yeah. I will see one more day. One more day. But give thanks. All praises unto the big man. Could a Rastafari and a Christian. Yeah. Just a chant the songs, but care which one. I have to preserve life, me want live long. Wow. Black or white, you could a Indian. Yeah. Live in Africa, America or England. Yeah. We have to live nice and make millions. Bad mind keep a distance. Yeah. One more. I may see one more day. So me seal me Trinity and pray, yeah. I may see one more day. Me thank the Lord for guide my way. Thank you, Father. I will see one more day. Yeah. Heart a beat, everything is okay, yeah. I will see one more day. One more day. One more. There's the Lord, the fullness thereof. World and I dwell herein. As there was fun for the seas, and there's turf and floods. Who shall ascend to thy holy place and stand in thy holy hill? Let it be I and I who have clean hands and pure in heart, and have not.
Alright. Yeah. Alright, I'll walk over to him. You're welcome. I'll send you right now. Alright, so 4, 3. Haircut already? Yes? Okay, you see what I gotta deal with? This lady right here, she's something else, man. What? What you showing me? Oh! Oh, show them. Look. That's the bird that be sitting at the window. The hawk. Eagle. Eagle on the out there, so that's the bird that be sitting at the on the tree, just looking at me in the morning when I be sitting at the window. Look, he's right here right now. I don't know, man. I think something about that is crazy. You know what I'm saying? Comment down below if you think that is crazy. Everywhere, I don't know, man. Like if I go and sit at the window right now, he fly up on the tree and he just sit there and stares at me. Like every single time, it never fails. And now look, I'm in the front. We're waiting for a car, 2 cars, and he's right here just waiting on me. All right, so the guy is here. What's up, me family? What's up, me gang? What's up, MALFIN family? What's up, MALFIN gang? Alright, so today we're receiving 2 vehicles. We got a 2016 Chevy Malibu and a 2017 Chevy Sonic. and both of them just arrived. We're about to go and we're about to go and collect them right now in the front. I don't know, the guy didn't drive around today. Normally you'll drive around on the strip. Show the strip right here. Normally you'll drive around and come on the strip right here, but today he parked on the main road, which don't make no sense because we really want to go on the main road to pick up any car right now, you know what I mean? Alright, so, but in any case, we're heading to the main road to go and pick these cars up. Alright, so it's me and the wife, and then we're gonna drive them back home. It's still early, so I should be able to catch a DMV. Should be able to catch a DMV to get them registered. You know what I mean? Yeah, so we're gonna see what's popping right now. Yeah, so we're on the main street and we're gonna collect them two vehicles. You can see them? So that's it right there. That's the Malibu right there. And I don't see the next one yet, so just gotta wait and see. And that's Jose. So yeah. Alright. Alright, so that's the two vehicles, that's the transporter. We just got them from Ali. Yeah. Yeah, so that's one, that's a Chevy Malibu 2016. Yeah. It's a 2016 Chevy Malibu right there. So this one we're picking up right now. And then, right, you want to take this one? Alright. Hey, what's up, man? And then we're going to pick up the 2017. What's up, man? Blessing, my brother. Hey, take it out. Alright, I got you. Go ahead, baby. Yeah. Alright. And this is the 2016 Chevy Malibu. Alright, ready to go. Or if you're gonna drive that one out, then alright, so that's a 2016 Chevy Malibu we just bought. Well, we have that one for like, I would say maybe 5-6 months. It was in New York getting fixed. And we have this one. It's a 17 Sonic. So, screwing. This one is the next one we're taking off right now. It's running. Yeah, so yeah, that's basically it right now. And that's how we do them. Normally, if I don't drive, Ali would drive and pick them up, but getting a little too much on the body, so now we ship them. Very reasonable also, you know what I'm saying? Because if I gotta fly up and drive them down, it costs close to what we would pay to ship it. So we just decided to, you know what I mean, to ship them now, right? So this is basically what we're doing, and this is two more added to our fleet. to our tour fleet, to our private car rental. MALFIN LLC is our private car rental, and we do tour. So if you need a car for a day, a couple hours, a day, a week, a month, a year, you know what I'm saying? If you even need to purchase a car, just give me a link, take a look at the fleet, see if you like one of them, make me an offer, make us an offer, and we'll basically just, you know what I mean? Um, yeah, we'll see if the offer is worth it, right? But yeah, it is what it is. Alright, so I'm gonna take this one now from him. I'm gonna get it registered. I'm gonna see the paperwork and then take it to the DMV. Take it to the DMV and then, my brother, appreciate it. I'm signing him sign, right? Oh my man. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna call Mr. Mother right now. Just call me actually. I'm gonna generate the funds. Alright, me family. Alright, MALFIN family. Alright, MALFIN. Yeah. Yeah, so this is it right here. They just came. We got two more heading to our fleet. Two more heading to our MALFIN LLC fleet for rental. This is a 2016 Chevy Malibu. You can take a look at it. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? It's nice. Other from, you know, need a little cleanup. It's working perfectly fine. For you, baby, you know, Ali always put something in here. Something always in here from Ali. Huh? I don't know what this is. Okay, so ECU. Yeah, it's a computer. I think we changed it or either ordered it and didn't need it. But yeah, as you can see, it just needs a little TLC. This is my plate that I send up for him to hold on to. So we're gonna keep this on the car. Right? Yeah, so this is the Malibu trunk. So, you know, I always put in stuff in the car. So we bought it. Well, we bought the car. We bought the cars from the auction. We bought them from IAA, Manheim, Copart. So that's why they basically look like this. But we buy them, we fix them up, and we put them on Toro. We rent them for private. So yeah, this is why they look like this. And then yeah. But once I come from the DMV, I'm gonna basically start the cleaning process. I'm gonna smoke them out, clean them out. This is the 2017 Chevy Sonic, which is, we have a 2017 already. This one looks like a gray. The other one is a black. And yeah, 2017 Sonic. The Sonic is basically our thing. It doesn't have a spare. I think I have a spare in the garage, so that's fine. Right, so or I could always buy one at the junkyard down the road. But yeah, I got mats and everything already. So it's just a matter of getting them registered now. So, yeah, basically that's it. Right. So that's pretty much it, y'all. I don't know what the Chevy Sonics look like. You know what I mean? This is probably number 11 or 10 Sonic we have. We got a lot of Chevy, and we got Corollas, Chrysler, a couple different variants of vehicles. Yeah, I'm gonna get the paperwork right now, and then we're gonna drive down to the DMV, right? So I'll take y'all with us. All right.
D1041, please go to station 5. Please go to station 5.
So we in the DMV. You got my number. Got my paperwork. And we ready to go. Let's do it. Let's do this thing. Okay? So we're waiting on our number to call y'all. We at the DMV. Just trying to get these cars registered. And then
Shit, I gotta put in this class.
D 1040, please go to station 5.
As soon as we can get them done, get this registered and stuff, we'll be able to put them on the road. Alright? Peace.
Yes, 4 people here. 678 453.
What's your email address? Yeah, but all right. Okay. People will family do that stuff. Yeah. Like you thought. Gotcha. That's fine. Okay. Thank you, sir. All right. So look at the information there. Pen pad, please. I need to see your Florida insurance for this vehicle.
I actually just got insured today.
With a piece of paper, I'll give you the plate number that I have on the car right now.
Oh no. Yeah, because those plates
I'm
don't
gonna call my
even.
insurance guy right now.
Okay.
He'll answer right away.